Hello, so this is my final version of this. My original one was really similar to this, but I used Bootstrap to, try and make it look really nice. However, I just decided to simplify it after you sent me that example and the zip file. But, there's something funky going on, and it happened with the assignment you sent me too. But let me show you what I mean. So when I search, let's say car, right? And then let's set English and then popular. I click submit, and it just takes me directly to the, I guess, link or source of my PHP file. Now this is supposed to be the code that executes and prints out all these statements, all these parts of the tweet. Unfortunately, it just does this. Anyways, let's just talk about the code and see and show you what I did. So as you can see, this is my HTML index page. Regular doc, your HTML head, basic starting, you gotta call your scripts that you're gonna use throughout. Some style and CSS for, making it look a little nicer. More regular, basic stuff to just display on the screen. Then here's where it gets, where we get to what we want to do. So I did a form, I attached this file, which is right over here, to it, and it was supposed to, execute all this code. Fortunately, it just prints out this whole page. But, I use select to make it like a drop menu, and then you could set up which value you want for the language, which is EN for English, SP for Spanish, FR for French. You also get the type, so you could choose what type, and it depends if you'd like a mixed search, a recent popular search, or popular search. And finally, I added a submit button so that you can just submit it if you want, or just click enter. Now, as you can see, this also makes reference, and I was doing this with my original one. I had the same file, which is right over here, and it's supposed to reference, all the classes and methods of the Twitter API. Unfortunately, it's just not really working. But I'll show you the final outcome one more time. I'll just reverse this. And sorry, it's just taking a little bit longer. Okay, so let's just give another shot. So let's do frog. I don't know. Let's do submit. And it's just weird because up here you can tell that it does try to, execute a query that I put in. So I put frog, I selected language English, and the type popular. So it's something I understand, and hopefully I will be able to learn in the future and make the adjustments that need to be made. And I'd like to thank you for trying to, help me out, and yes, thank you.